So excited to receive my box of Puff Puff from Puff Puff Ministry. Look at this packaging. Oh, yes. Oh, hey there, Puff Puff lover. This is so cute. Gorgeous packaging. Absolutely lovely. And yes, fantastic note, handwritten note. And great little social media branding there. Whoop, I'm liking this pic. I am liking this pic so far. And let's open up. Let's get into the nitty-gritty of the Puff Puff. Yes, that's what we like to see. So we've got the Oreo covered Puff Puff. We've got the cinnamon sprinkled covered Puff Puff. And we have the delicious standard Puff Puff. So I'm going to dig into... That's the Oreo. Let's have a taste. Now the cinnamon. Absolutely delicious. They're not warm, obviously, because they're delivered, but you can obviously, I think, reheat them if you'd want them warm. But actually, they're fine cold. As anybody who knows Puff Puff knows, you can eat Puff Puff cold. Absolutely fantastic. I think they're really, really good and just such a great, smart idea. I just think it's such a good idea. So get involved, and I love 100% recycling box. I love that recyclable box, I should say. So get involved. Good one. Well done, Puff Puff Ministry.